Hey guys, welcome to ShoPhiNay and thanks for watching. We're now on another episode of an unboxing. This is an order I made last May 7th. That was the first Sunday of May, and I got the package just yesterday, May 20th, Saturday, since the package came from Canada. So this is from a shop called All Things Authentic Cebu. I'm simply supporting a friend, because it seems that they're also selling bags, shades, mostly coming from Canada, and these are like Coach bags, Kate Spade, what else? They were selling Tory, those daily types of bags that you could purchase online as well. But at the same time, I chose to buy from them because, like I said, they're familiar, they're friends, and at the same time, they really sell bags at good deals. Anyway, without further ado, let me do the unboxing now. So this package took 14 days to reach to me, but still not bad because, like I said, it's from Canada. So without further ado, let's open the box. Just had to open it here since my name and my address are showing. Oh, nice. This says thank you. This is my second order from them. The first I ordered was Martha Stewart shades. It was color brown. This time it's a bag. I ordered this before the luxury bag I bought, or I rather showed you last week, because that one I just ordered from Manila, and it just took 7 days to be exact. So this was the Mother's Day live edition selling, so I guess there's the flower as a thank you and a freebie. Thank you, all authentic, or rather all things authentic Cebu, especially Sugar. She's the seller from Canada. So this is the bag, as you can see. Let's put it there. The reason why I ordered the bag is I don't have anything girly for a bag. And voila, this is it. It looks very cute. So this is a Kate Spade top handle bag. It was quoted as purple flower, which was really sold at a good price. I don't know the dimensions of the bag, but it looks really nice. So at least this one I could use anytime, and especially summer. So I chose this bag because of the design. It's quite unique. And good for summer. Please bear with me. Oops, sorry, bag. So let's open so you can see the interior. So the bag comes with a strap. Well, honestly, I'll have to get back with you if this is pure leather, because I know the sculpture bag I had has a leather strap, for real, 100% legit. But because, as you already know guys, I'm not really a bag addict or into bags. The reason why I'm buying bags now is because I just want to have the experience of buying my own bag, because most of them are really like gifts from relatives, mother or mother-in-law. And this is the first time I've been buying bags, because I'd rather buy jewelries before and, well, watches. So for a change, I'm buying bags now. So this is the interior, so you can see there. And I think you could fit cell phone, of course, and probably a purse, a cute one, and some, let's say, sanitizer. So it has another pocket, and probably you could put here. So this is how it is. Really looks cute, as you can see. And oh, there's also like an outer pocket you could use. So this might be the price in Canada. Then they had it on sale, and then eventually another one. Yeah. So they got a good deal, so they're selling it. And really, it's quite nice. I like it because, like I said, it's unique. And there you have it. So just in case you want to order from their online shop, you could simply search for them in Facebook. Just search all things authentic Cebu, and you should find a logo, a pink logo, and there's gonna be a Canada, that's location, and they do live selling. They would just post it, so if you want to follow them, then that would be great. You could order from them, but I'll make sure to also include the link, or rather the name, not the link, the name of the shop again, just in case you want to make sure that you got it right. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching ShoPhiNay again. I hope that you have a great weekend. Take care, and God bless y'all. Bye.